hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first year anniversary special home edition of Project Creative Collab today, June 15, 3 p.m. And of course, to welcome everyone sa lahat ng manonood, makakapanood ng anniversary special na ito. Thank you so much for being with us. Let me welcome you this afternoon with a short message. It has been a year. The road we have taken was never an easy path. We have been clashing with our limited resources, our time, our efforts, our personal careers, and our own dimensions which we are still building. I have been putting so much responsibility in these persons you will be seeing in a while. But I am extremely music. But I am extremely proud of you guys. I'm very extremely of what have you become, what have you accomplished, and what have you been paying forward across generations. It was very difficult to cater different generations from the silent generation, from the baby boomers, the millennials, the Gen Zs. While it is true that building the picture with pieces of jigsaw puzzle is difficult, very difficult, really difficult because we have different shapes and colors, I would always say that it is still better to have these trusted people than being alone. So shout out to my folks here, to the very first people who have believed in PCC. Ayusin ko na ha. Ate Ado, the very first person who found my home in Batangas, the very first person who asked how I am, how I've been going through, and the very first person who walked out of her house just to ask, anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo mangyari kay PCC? Let's do this. Second, Ate Evs, the very first person who sell out PCC even from scratch, even from zero. Hindi pa iniaanak si PCC, kinakampanya na ni Ate Evs. Clarice, the very first person who faced in the name of PCC for a webinar. So wala pa siyang wala siyang alam kung anong gagawin niya, basta sinabi ko lang, Lars, marap ka. Okay. Walang tanong-tanong, walang question, walang hesitance. That was Clarice. Jai, the very first person who did the branding. Lahat po ng nakikita nyo sa PCC, yung kulay, yung logo, whatever it is, from the totality of it, it's coming from Jaime, our best friend. Jaime, our friend. All right? Ate Malu, who have been always there from the very beginning for the things that I have not known yet. Tatlong bagay yan, Laguna, real estate, and Laguna, real estate, and what's the niche? One more. Laging pinupokusahan ni ate. Alright? She have been with me, graphic design, the only person na naniniwala sa akin with graphic design, especially with Canva. Wala akong nadampot sa GDC, kundi si Ate Malu. Si Ate Malu lang ang naniwala. Alright? And then, Brian, who has been holding the fort for so long. I'm very thankful with PJ Panda. These people who have been with me believing for PCC. So we are trying to walk the path, however difficult it is, however whatever fire it is, we're keeping up the blaze. Shout out to my SMM people, Reg, Ren, to the admin people, Anya, Jody, Sev, and people out there who has been waiting, mutually waiting na mabatuhan ng appropriate chances for them. Ate Divine, Rona, Tin, Kairos, and for that special person who have helped me rearranging these things. Jo, thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. It has been a year and I hope you could be with us going through the next adventures of PCC. Welcome to Project Creative Collab. Alright, to recognize our webinar series speakers, may we have our managing partner for digital community, Temalu.
So, good afternoon everyone. Thanks God, 1 year na tayo sa PCC. Thank you for the opportunity, Coach, and my fellow BOD and others. So, let's start with the certificate of recognition is awarded to special thanks to Ms. Evelyn Coso for being a resource speaker for knowing your brand's solid foundation of visual identity. Next is to Ms. Sarah Paran for being a resource speaker for effective visual identity for your business. Next is Ms. Regine Sanogal, one of our resource speaker of Canva for Beginners and Introduction. Next is Ms. Sarah Paran, resource speaker again for graphic designing in Adobe Illustrator and Introduction. Next again is Ms. Evelyn Coso for being a resource speaker using compelling photos for your visuals. And Ms. Clarice Victorino as a resource speaker for exploring video editing using CapCut. And to Ms. Luana May Gilatore, resource speaker as a basic Photoshop essential tools for creating impressive layout.
To introduce us our PCCP persons para makilala nyo din, no, kung sino yung mga pinagbabanggit ko. Hindi ko lang po sila basta pinili. Actually, tinambot ko lang talaga sila. Who are they? Let us have our managing partner for legal and SEO, Ate Mo.
Thank you, Coach. All right. Hello, everyone. So before I start, sa PCC, we have divided our leadership. So first would be our executive leaders, and second is our corporate leaders. So executive leaders will be the one who are going to be implementing all the processes and procedures that are all of our corporate leaders are trying to implement and strategize. So let's start with Engineer Sev. So he is a licensed engineer, and his skills and expertise includes project management, social media management, market analysis, digital marketing, and he is currently in charge of PCC internship program and recruitment and staffing. So next, everyone, let's meet Miss Rance. This is our pretty media maestro, social media maestro. Her skills includes general virtual assistance, social media management, lead generation, and she is also a Canva graphics design pro. Next, is Miss Reg, another social media dynamo here at Project Creative Collab. She is an executive virtual assistant. She's also a Canva graphics design expert, a email marketing specialist, and she also has skills on project management. Next in line is Miss Anya. She is also in charge of a PCC internship program together with Engineer Sev. And because of her expertise, she's also our business development officer. Now, aside from business development, she's also wizard in sales and marketing, campaigns, project management, and of course, social media management. Our next corporate leader is Miss Judy. She currently holds the treasury of PCC, and she provides admin support as well. So she's also a digital marketing enthusiast and experience with admin support and has HR management skills, not to mention she's also a social media manager. All right, so that's our corporate leaders. And now moving on to our to the forefront of leadership. So these are the people who strategize, who really try to, minsan nagka-clash pa nga kami just to make sure na lahat ng strategies, processes are well, are well planned. So, and I hope lahat naman siguro ng organization nagdadaan sa ganon. But then, I am honored to introduce them sa inyo lahat. So let's start with Miss Evs. All right, so Miss Evs is the managing partner for branding and on-site projects here at PCC. Now, she has a very strong background with branding and marketing strategy, graphics design, social media management, content writing, and project management. She's also one of our speakers dito sa Project Creative Collab. And next, this is Miss Clarice. So she's currently serving as the managing partner for content creation. Now, her diverse skill set and expertise includes general virtual assistants, influencer marketing, being a TikTok influencer herself. She's also adept with social media management, content writing, video editing, and also she's part of the speaker lineup. And all right, so this is me. So I currently oversee legal affairs for PCC and SEO. So I also have training with social media management, social media brand strategy, search engine optimization, graphics design, and lead generation, thanks to Brian. All right. And so enough of me. Next, let me introduce Miss Malu. So she's part of, or she's the managing partner for Digital Community. Now, her skill set includes real estate virtual assistant, social media marketing and management, e-commerce management, lead generation, and graphics design. Actually, marami pa. Lahat ng nasa corporate, or actually lahat ng mga leaders, hindi lang yan yung mga skills nila. Napakadami, napakahirap i-summarize. So, baka kulang yung isang araw natin if I will discuss lahat ng skill set nila. So, next. Let's now meet Miss Adora. So she's the managing partner for research. Her skill set and expertise includes market research and development, social media management, chatbot development, community management, and general virtual assistants. And next po, ayan, ang ating si Sir Brian. He is the managing partner for operations, and he is a lead generation guru. He's also well adept with social media management, very keen with project management, napagaling, web research, and of course, content creation. And next, let's meet Sir Jaime, or we call him Jai. So he's the managing partner for graphics, branding, and ads. And his skill set includes entrepreneur. He's an entrepreneur then. He's good, is actually best with in graphics design, branding, social media marketing and management, web design, and he's a wizard when it comes to Facebook ad management. And syempre, of course, last but not the least, pinaka huli ang ating best of the best. So let me introduce her to you. This is our esteemed coach, A. So she's the founder, the principal partner, and head trainer at PCC. Now, these are just some of the skills and expertise that she had. So she's an entrepreneur, a hybrid digital marketing and startup business development management, a full stack digital media analysis and strategy, training and development advocacy, LPT or licensed professional teacher, and a certified trainer for DICT, TESDA, Google, Adobe, and Microsoft certified educator. Now, her leadership and entrepreneurship and digital strategy empowers our team with cutting edge skills and knowledge. Now, she champions training and development initiatives empowering individuals and businesses with her knowledge and tools needed for the success in the digital age. So all of us, we lead PCC with dedication and expertise, and we hope to shape a future where creativity, innovation, and advocacy meets excellence. So thank you so much. Ang
Thank
haba.
you, Ate Bongs.
Thank you po.
I know it has been difficult to compress a 2-page curriculum vitae.
Sobra, sobra. Lahat napaka-talented and skilled talaga ng mga leaders natin. So, kulang pa yan.
Now, for PCC in 1, let's have a brief history of PCC.
The DICT has been very instrumental in many things that have happened to me in the past. And I would like to thank DICT for that. Ang daming opportunities na nag-open because of it. And truly, sobrang grateful and thankful for the DICT. And also for also the Project Creative Collab family. Maraming salamat po. Dahil po sa inyo, naging maganda ang future. Thank you.
right? To tell you, to share with you our digital marketing and skills training services, our very own branding strategist and graphic designer or managing reporter for graphics, branding, and ads. Our friend, our good friend. Jaime, Jai, take it away.
Thank you, Coach. So good afternoon sa inyong lahat. So our digital marketing services ni Project Olive is our search engine optimization, social media management, advertising and marketing, and digital analytics. So these are services we cater here in PCC. And for our online courses and webinar series, we have graphic design, freelancing for beginners, and social media marketing for MSMEs. So those online courses and webinar series are we cater all in different industries.
Alright. Thank you, Jai. Okay. So, do we have Clarice at the moment? Our traveling princess? Dahil wala pa ating traveling princess, maybe have Ate Malu for the upcoming projects?
So for our upcoming projects, we have the paid webinar on July. The posters for print ads, nasa ano na lang po ito, nasa FB page, naka-post na. Enrolled now for only $799 for an early bird. For the Canva upgrade, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, and brand photography for only $799 for 4 courses. Next, we have next coach. No problem. Let's go to let's go to Boracay. We have team building at Boracay on September 24. So, join na kayo habang naka-sale pa ang mga ticket. Targetin nyo po ang September 24. Magkita-kita tayo sa Boracay. Then may mga roadshow tayo sa Visayas. That was September 2024. It's Boracay. Roadshow on Mindanao, and particularly in Davao City on October. Then we have also roadshow at North Luzon on October. Bicol roadshow will be on November, and last is December. We have roadshow out South Luzon, particularly on Batangas, Cavite. So everywhere po tayo is tahani PCC. So ito po, we have t-shirt available. I-post na lang po namin ang mga order forms for only $450. Included na ang shipping fee. Nationwide, kahit saan po tayo nandun, ma-deliver ang t-shirt na order nyo.
Thank you so much, Ate Malu. Actually, nakalimutan natin, we still
you.
have one more project, but it's not upcoming. It's an ongoing project, the internship. So if you look forward to be part of PCC or to know how from end-to-end business from zero to hero, you could join our internship program. I think we have an opening for SMM, graphic design, SEO, lead generation, email marketing. And if there are some positions that I could not reiterate now, please follow us in our Facebook page and in the community because we keep on posting them. All right? So for the recognition of the webinar series completers, yay! For those who have attended May 18 to June 9. So in lieu of,
Congrats.
yeah, in lieu of, di ba, ang sipag nilang umattend every weekend. So in behalf of Sir Brian, DJ Panda, may we have again, hi my friend!
Thank you, Coach. So we would like to congratulate our 25 completers out of 516 registered participants. Next, Coach. So for the certificate of completion, so this certificate is for recognizing your successful completion upon active participation in the webinar entitled Graphic Design Webinar Series of Project Creative Collab held from May 18 to 2024 to June 9, 2024 via Zoom. So this is issued June 15. So let's give a round of applause to our 25 completers. So let's congratulate Bambi B. Zamora, Charisse Vane C. Sacho
Yeah.
Sachoka, DC May Buray Magdo. Next, Coach. Johnny Lynn Nueva España. Next, Coach. Freddy P. Montilla Jr. Hermie Rose G. Gabrilos. Johnny Marie L. Pavila. Jeff Carl Sumido. John Clarence S. Lobos. John Elson Bacogalo Tatoy. Jan Tereso Wanilio. John Lloyd Davy. John Mark H. Rubite. That Jocelyn. Jocelyn Susana T. Enrile. Kasama Kakabataan Organization. Kenneth D. Gonzalez. Leira Angelica E. Braga. Leus Zollo H. Tanoha. Mark D. Eclipse. Pearly Joy D. Aduana. Princess Darla May S. Dairit. Randy Ilanga Banjola, Rose Makwana, Sunny M. Cabrilos, Thea C. Pedro, Veronica V. Purada,
Right. Thank you, Joy. I believe your certificate of completion will be available by tomorrow. You can download that from the link which will be posted by our SME. Congratulations, everyone. Timos?
All right, so we would like to invite everyone to please join our community, the Digital Skills Training and Services Collab. So we always post updates, yung mga upcoming webinars, free webinars, paid webinars, all the activities will be posted dyan sa community. So please um, join the community para updated kayo lagi. And also, I'd like to speak about PCC's forward-thinking advocacies. So these are social media branding, digital media analytics, AI marketing, and freedom with a purpose. So with social media branding, we actually started this last year pa. So we had social media branding assessment. So we aim to be the trendsetter for this kind of training. We would like to commit ourselves that to ensure that every brand story resonates and builds lasting communication with its audience. So we would like to like pioneer this particular niche. Kami lang ata ang digital marketing agency na nagki-cater sa social media branding. So this is going to be our trademark. And also with digital media analytics, we will be offering this soon. Right now, wala din kami nakikitang ibang digital marketing agency na nag-o-offer ng digital media analytics. So right now, data is the new currency. So we believe in leveraging analytics to drive smarter decisions and better outcomes. That's why our advocacy ensures that the business can harness data to gain, deep insights and optimize their strategies and measure their success with precision. Now, with AI marketing, we are passionate about pioneering this, the use of artificial intelligence. We would like to revolutionize marketing strategies. Now, we would like to promote the ethical use of AI to enhance creativity, efficiency, and personalization, and would like to be the first one to make it make an advanced technology accessible sa lahat. So that's our advocacy. And lastly, we advocate for freedom with purpose. So the digital world should be a space of limitless possibilities. So this is where innovation thrives, along with ethical responsibility. So we believe in empowering individuals and businesses to explore, create, and succeed while upholding values of integrity, privacy, and social impact. So we would like to offer that freedom with purpose to everyone. That's why we offer webinars, free webinars, paid webinars. So we hope that everyone could join us with our advocacy. So that's it. So, Coach?
Right. In the light of one of our B2B, so this is very sad on our part as her relative and our condolences at the end of. So for the donations, we're seeking your help for the donations for the family Enerica who have their motherland and their home. So whatever help in cash or in kind that we could assist with, we will always be in gratitude to everyone. And that has been our program. We're very prompt with time. That's how it is. Thank you so much for trusting us. Thank you so much for believing in us and keep the promise that we will still continue. Whatever it is, however it is, although we could be in hiatus, people within the community, people within the board and the SLC could be in hiatus from time to time. But to keep a promise to continuously pay forward whatever it is that we get from the Department of Information Communications and Technology, the DJPH family. And together we could create a community that would celebrate freedom with purpose. Thank you so much, everyone. And I am very blessed to have all of you. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Coach. Bye-bye po.
Thank you very much.